Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Na, Saya. Reggae, yeah, man. In the night when the silence speak, me light up herbs and me soul seek. Me sit on rooftop on the moon, dub rhythm chant a mystic tune. See the burn, the air get still. Me spirit travel, Ganja will. No phone, no screen, no fake distraction. Just heartbeat and natural action. Dub meditation, floating a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in the voice fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Me close me eyes, me fly away through nebulae and Milky Way. Me reason with stars in a astral plane. Them whisper secrets fi ease me pain. Every echo tell me truth, like wise elders speak to youth. Me see past time, me touch the light. Me come back strong, me soul upright. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in dub-wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Not fi run from life, but fi sharpen mind like a knife. Me inhale truth, exhale lies. Me sit still and me overstand skies. No fear when you move in a wisdom. Dub shake wall like Jericho kingdom. Me chant, me drum, me grunt, me float, me ride bass line like righteous boat. Me link with ancestors through deep tone. In a dub me never feel alone. It's like rhythm, hold me tight. Guide me safe through darkest night. From root to crown, vibration climb. Me feel the pulse, me move in time. Dub a me temple, herb a me key. Jah open door, me spirit free. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in dub-wise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. So if you're stressed, if your mind in pain, come sit with I in a dub refrain. No need for talk, no need for run. Just close your eyes and face the sun. Let the bass wash you like river. Let echo flow, make you deliver. One rhythm, one breath, one love. Meditation rise like peaceful dove. Reggae of Zion, King, yeah, man. Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, Missy valley. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something for ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. give thanks for earth. Me not forget when me food find birth. Ital is vital, Jah way fi track. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no processed life. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food fi feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital levity, me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me remember the days in a city trap. Fast food make me spirit snap. Me feel heavy, me feel slow. Me body cry for the truth to grow. Till one day, me granny say, child come taste what Ital say. She boil some roots, she steam some yam. She show me how to live like Abraham. Ital is vital, Jah way fi track. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no processed life. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food fi feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital levity, me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me live it in no just about the meal. It deeper still, it how me feel. Me bless me food before me eat. Give praise for nature, so complete. Ital mean, me nah live blind. Me take care of me heart and mind. Me cut the fake, me cut the sin. Me clean from outside and within. Ital fire blaze inna me soul. Me reason deep, me play me role. Me cook with brethren in the hills. Laughter mix with ancient skills. No microwave, no soda fizz. Just roots wine and natural bliss. Me chant rum pot like sacred rites. Me taste the truth in every bite. Me burn Babylon, fast food chains. They profit while the people in chains. Me build me own with me two hands. Nah, nah, nah. Me sip coconut and smoke Ganja, yeah, man. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time of it come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready to go. Me feeling of the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like baobab tree. Me soul set forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth, me need to find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm, me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dancing a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rasta Way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bowl. Me eat ital from calabash ball. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echo in breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors we whisper in me ear. You never left, you always here. Africa not just a place on map, it's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where my spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice under starry dome. Give thanks for the place me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, me hear sweet songs. Drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray. Africa living a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes rise like a flame. From Berlin to Cape Coast we call Jah name. Back to Mama where all life begin. Rasta anthem rise again with it. See ya the one that day. Said with it. See ya the one that day. Said with it. Ayo yo, deep inna the barefoot, sweat kaya man. Oh yo. Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine. Natural beauty like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline's glow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta come, reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She says she love when the bar drop and consciousness rise, never stop. Sip on coconut under the tree. She talk about Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say, we dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, the empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. She cook ital with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She said no need for diamond ring. Just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try to confuse we head, she hold me hand and chant psalms instead. Me empress no follow no fashion hype. She blaze like truth like a Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in our hills. Meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars are dance above we head. Love in our bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food. Love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason not ever stop. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, the empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, flowers from mountain high. She teach me how to watch the sky. She teach me silence talk more than word. Like how wind whisper just like bird. The empress glow in a natural way.
Ay, 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 ganja, ay, ay, ay. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need fit talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeats all along. Select a drop, the vinyl clean. Me close eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin, but one blood true. Babylon tried, divide with fear. But roots music, bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The reading reveal universal truth. Me nah need tech or flashy screen. Just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tune to the frequency. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong enough fi make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench town yard to African shore. Roots frequencies, open door. Jah in the echo, Jah in the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. These are the heartbeats all along.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke ganja, meditate, barefoot, yeah, man. Me rise in the morning with sun in a eye, herb in a hand, me chant to the sky. Birds are sing like Naya Bingy drum. Me give thanks, say me life just come. Nature surround, me heart feel calm. Me steps in a earth, me soul feel warm. Me nah need gold, me nah need fame. Jah name alone bring the highest flame. Me trod the path where me ancestors trod, barefoot pon the soil, me reasoning with God. Ital stew bubbling, fire ablaze. Me give thanks for the simplest days. Me dreadlocks long like stories told. Each strand carry spirit, wisdom all. Me nah look back, me nah regret. The future bright, feed the ones who reflect. Rasta Way, we walk with delight. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love are the fire and truth are the craft. Me see Babylon light, but me nah get blind. Me see the trap, but me free me mind. Me step out in a hills, away from noise, where silence sing and the heart rejoice. Me chant psalms pon the rock so high. Me soul connect to Jah up in a sky. With me chalice and drum, me reason true. Me talk to the stars like me brethren too. Me light up the pipe with holy herb. Me sing for the trees, me chant every word. Earth a me temple, sky a me dome. Me nah need city, this a me home. Me see the youths them lost in a screen, but me guide them back to the roots and sin. Me tell them pick up the drum, pick up the book. Don't follow hype, don't follow the crook. Rasta Way, we walk with delight. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In a every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love are the fire and truth are the craft. Me sip coconut and the moonlight beam. Me vision clean like prophecy dream. No stress in a me vibe, me chant and glide. Jah presence ever stand by me side. Me sit by the river, me heart just float. Me soul a sing like a healing note. Me nah race, me nah chase the game. Me just want people to call Jah name. So if you're lost, come trod this way. Let the smoke rise and the trouble sway. In a each draw find a deeper peace. In a each chant let worry cease. Rasta Way, it humble and wise. It teach you to see with the inner eyes. So come along pon this mystic flight. Zion echoes blaze up the light.
Me skin like jackies. Birds them a chant in a morning bliss. Me step barefoot pon the cool wet ground. Earth talk to me, sweet is the sound. Me roll up herb, Ital in a me pot. No riches me want, me already got. Peace in a me soul and the truth in me speech. Higher heights me seek, me nah preach. Jah guide me. Rise up Rasta higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long but me heart still whole. Guide me, me nah need crown or Babylon gold. Me treasures deep, me spirit bold. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah carry me through water deep. Guide me. rejoice. Bird fly free, trees sway so light. Nightfall come, stars bless me sight. Me chant with drum and sip me tea. Jah presence rap me endlessly. Me nah rush, me pace is wise. Me soul expand, me spirit rise. One draw, two draw, me float away. Me mind makes space for the light today. No fear, no hate, no war me keep. Just melody and breath so deep. Me and me brethren sit and reason. Seasons change but vibes stay even. Me empress laugh, me youth them dance. Rasta Way, I give life a chance. Job I.E. Rise up Rasta higher heights me say. Smoke and chant the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. But even so love rule me mind. Me no leave no soul behind. We walk together, tribe and fire. To Zion gates, we climb higher. Dub wise echo inna the valley. Me beat me drum like sweet tamale. Me spirit dance, me ancestors near. Me feel them whisper inna me ear. Keep treading youth, don't lose sight. Your fire burn bright in Jah light. So me chant louder, smoke rise high. Blessed is the I and I and I. So if you feel lost in a world so loud, find the silence in the ganja cloud. Listen to drum, listen to wine. Rasta journey come from within. Me nah need Babylon's validation. Me meditate on Jah vibration. And when me pass from this creation, me spirit fly to Zion nation.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja music, yeah man. Ay, 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 ay. Me wake with a smile, sun a shine so bright. Me give thanks for life, me soul feel light. Me grab me herb, me chalice ready. Me mind steady, me heartbeat steady. Me step outside, me greet the day. Bird them a sing like them a pray. Me sit pan rock, high on the hill. The world stand still, me spirit feel chill. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me fly so high, me no need no car. Me float pan redeem, me dancing breeze. Me soul release, me heart at ease. The fire blaze, the drum beat roll. Me chant out truth from deep in soul. In this moment, me feel so free. Ital living Rasta energy. Beside the moonlight shine like gold. Ancestors watching, story told. Me walk through trees, me hear the wind. Me chant a hymn, me cleanse me sin. No watch, no clock, no stress me wear. Me time divine, me path clear. Me and me queen hand in a hand. We build a livity on sacred land. Me sip me roots, me feel the vibes. No mix me soul with Babylon tribes. Me rather live slow, live real. Feel Jah presence in a every meal. One draw, one love, one drop of Jah. Me burn me herbs under shining star. Meditation deep, me third eye wide. Me feel Jah guide from deep inside. No war, no gun, just peace and drum. Me sing me song till Zion come. Me not beg fame, me not chase gold. Me story sacred, pure and bold. Nightfall come, me light the fire. Story flow like ancient choir. Me brethren gather, we share the plant. Me youth them laugh, me empress chant. We reason truth, both life and time. We sip some tea, we sip some wine. Me play me guitar, me chant a line. Rasta way, away divine.
judge no man fi impact. Long as him walk with righteous heart. Me welcome all in a me zone. Love and ganja build me throne. Under stars, me close me eyes. Me feel Jah move across the skies. No church, no wall, just air and tree. That's where me meet divinity. So light up high and let it roll. The herb a key, the music soul. Me no last, me found in flame. Me and Jah walk in a one name. So when you're lost and life feel low, come sit with I, let ganja flow. Listen to drum, to wine, to fire. Let roots music lift your higher. Zion echoes in every sound. From mountain top to underground. Me message simple, me message pure. Jah love forever endure.
Aye, 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 Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in my face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene. Just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plan me dreams in a Zion style. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest night. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth them lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Jah mode. And one split fi the healing, and one beat fi the soul. So one love fi the children, one fire fi the goal. Me nah bend fi silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love the sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
Down by the riverside with the ganja glow, yeah man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds a sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, urban and meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no phone, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song, and in the peace me know me belong. Roots man meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought drift low. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Roots man walk in humble peace, and with each chant the weight release. Me cook Ital stew on open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. Night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It burning high from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say Rasta, why you smile? Me say me live truth and walk Jah mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we want the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots, man, chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day, and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me nah seek gold, me seek divine. Me path is roots, me soul align. Roots man walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by me side. So if you're lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Roots man meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul we wake and not sleep.
Reggae fall system, yeah man. Me rise up with the sun on me face. Birds them a sing, me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Ital food on me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me
much pain. Herb a teacher, not a tie. For your waking soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow, we chant and beat. Barefoot on the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Urban harmony, sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, the spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high. But still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed. But them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me not hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me not debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life, me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm.
Keep meditation with Rasta. Oh yeah, man. Circle the virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drum make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. In this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just reading Ganja and Jarrain. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like bread to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. We riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype, not show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah. So we praise for the herbs, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open the gate. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and Ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Zion, man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never cease. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find Jah way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. Open your mind. Nah, nah, nah. Ganja is just medicine. Yeah. Sun arise on the mountain crest. Birds a sing, Jah time fi rest. Me sit on stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for ear. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful thrills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every draw call Jah name. Roots man live slow, live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah true leaf find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chase illusion, living fast but losing fusion. Me tell them slow down, feel the beat. Reggae a teach you how to eat, how to speak. Roots man a hustle, roots man grow. We plant seeds and let Jah flow. In a silence we hear the truth. In a herb we find real proof. Meditation a roots man code. It a the map, feel life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots man meditation deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We nah rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jah Jah face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me hum me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk Jah pace, me nah repeat. This life no bout likes or fame. It's bout fire inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise. For another chance, for brighter days.
Oh, nah, it's Ganja time. Me wake up on hills of Jamaica. Sunrise blaze like a holy fire. Me wash me face in streams so clean. Ital breakfast, herbs so green. Little breeze whisper ancient song. Me heart beat steady, strong and long. No need for alarm, me spirit rise. Me soul fly high on Jah sunrise. Me empress chant beside the flame. She call me by me sacred name. Rise up Rasta, the journey call. We chant Babylon till it crumble and fall. It's a the Rasta journey, walking light from yard to Zion, out at night. Blaze up herbs, lift up your mind. Rasta man seek truth, not blind. We nah go bow, we nah go fake. Me soul stay firm, me heart nah break. This life a mission, full of fire. One love, one aim, one heart, one higher. Me leave the hills, reach town so loud. People run round in a digital cloud. Them plug in deep, them can't hear Jah. Them chase vanity, me say nah. System set trap in every lane. By this weird that still feel pain. Me walk through the streets in a robe so clean. The people stare like them never seen. Them say, who is this man with staff and dread? Me say, Rasta from Zion, me never dead. Me carry message them don't teach in school. Love and herbs that me only rule. Me reach a corner, roll a spliff. Lift me thoughts, make spirit drift. Me close me eyes, me overstand. Me nah need no crown fi rule me land. Ganja heal me like Jah kiss. Inna the smoke, me find me bliss. Me reason with ancients through the mist. Them whisper Rasta, you were always this. Me return to the roots, to the hills me go. Me plant pumpkin, callaloo, mango. Me cook ital stew pan fire made. No salt, no flesh, me energy stayed. Me press sing while pepper grind. She dance with breeze so sweet, so kind. The drum play rhythm from me soul. Every heartbeat, the mission all. Me youth them grow with conscious vibe. Them read, them chant, them overdrive. No tick-tock, no mindless show. Just ancient truth and love fi grow. This a the Rasta journey, not no race. Every step, me feel Jah grace. Smoke rise high in a sacred night. Me see me path in Ganja light. We nah go stray, we keep it firm. Me learn from fire, me live and learn. Ital food and a righteous song. Me walk in Jah, me walk strong. So now me voice reach distant land. From Berlin streets to desert sand. Me sing for people lost in dark. Me bring them flame, me light the spark. If you feel the vibe, then share the word. Rasta speak through every verse, heard Zion echoes. We not play weak, we chant down lies, we rise and speak.
Nah, na ganja and sweat kaya man. Me rise up in the morning breeze. No alarm, just birds in trees. Sunlight kiss the Rasta face. Another day fi overstand the pace. Me stretch me limbs, me mind a clear. Me give Jah thanks fi still be here. A little herb, a little tea, balance me soul and energy. A meditation heals me, find me way. Me blaze and reason till night turn day. Me no chase the world, me just obey the voice of Jah. Me no go stray. Smoke rise high, me spirit glide. No stress, no war, no pride. Just peace inside and love outside. Me on this ride, Jah be me guide. Me no run down dollar, me run down roots. Ital food cooking in bamboo shoots. Me reason deep with me sister in them. Talk about life on the heights of men. Me drum sound echo in a me chest. Every beat bring me soul to rest. Me know say Babylon still watch, but me stay firm like lion patch. Blaze for clarity, not just escape. Our herbs for healing, shape me fate. Love me weapon, peace me get. Me live simply, me live great. Now meditation heals me soul, me zone. With every breath, me come back home. No vanity, no mobile phone. Just green trees and sacred tones. Smoke curl up like angel wing. Me chant for love, me chant and sing. Me see life in every living thing and give thanks for the vibes it bring. River run like redeem deep. Me bathe me skin, me soul me keep. Me sit on rock and close me eyes and reason with the butterflies. Me no care about who wear crown. Me care about joy, not status gown. The mountain teach what book can say. So me listen, learn and pray each day. Me trod slow, but me trod is strong. Even when life feel too long, me burn out doubt, me blaze up faith. Me never early, me never late. Rasta way on a trend of truth. A link to roots, an ancient youth. A levity beyond material thing. Where every breath a holy swing. A meditation heals me soul rejoice. Me hear the drum, me hear Jah voice. No confusion, me have me choice. Feel live free and chant me voice.